Hey everyone, me Kevin here. Well, look at this notification I got right here. This is terrible. I'm going to read you this notification right after I mention this video is brought to you by Public. If you want to get a free stock worth all the way up to $1,000, make sure to go to metkevin.com/public. You can follow me there at Meet Kevin since it's a social brokeraging platform. You can check out the crypto they let you buy, the stocks they let you buy, and it's a great way to invest for the long term. Make sure to check out Public. They don't buy or sell your information, and they don't use payment for order flow. metkevin.com/public. Folks, this is a notification from YouTube. And it says, less revenue from ads. I went into this year saying people were going to spend more money on ads. Why were people supposed to spend more money on ads? Because Kathy Wood said inventory was going to go up. And I believed her. And inventory is going up. Well, I'm like, all right, well, naturally, if inventory is going to go up, you got to cut prices or you advertise more. So you either advertise more or you cut prices or you do both. So I figure, okay, well, advertising is probably going to do well. That's not what's happening because now everybody's worried about a recession, and instead of advertising more, people are cutting advertising. We're going to go through some numbers here. I'm going to show you some numbers too. But first, less revenue from ads. Common reasons this may have happened on your channel. Less expensive ad formats. In other words, advertisers are like, yeah, we don't have as much of a budget to provide more expensive ads. Fewer high-paid ad campaigns that advertisers reserved targeting your audience. In other words, not only do we have less expensive ad formats, but advertisers are like, yeah, we don't want to spend as much on you guys and gals. Well, there are 9 guys for every girl watching this right now. So if you're a girl, shout out in the comment, please. Okay, I'm going to read them today. So then, less advertising activity in general on YouTube, which can correspond with certain events, times of year, your content, or other factors, like a recession. Okay, let's go through some actual numbers here. Well, actually, these are some really cool numbers. We got to go through those. But before I reveal some actual numbers here, let me just say this. This is not just YouTube, okay? Sponsors in other areas of the social media world are actually canceling some contracts now. And this is something that was unheard of in 2021. So you've got sponsors coming in going, yep, no thanks. We're just going to not do influencer campaigns anymore. That's obviously a bad sign because if you get less advertising, well, A, it either means they're worried about a recession, or B, influencer marketing sucks. And I don't think influencer marketing sucks, so I don't think it's that. I think it's because they're worried about a recession. They're maybe just not seeing the ROI on brokerage style products, right? So some sponsors you might not be hearing about anymore from the community of creators because they're canceling. I haven't been canceled on any sponsors yet. I'm just hearing this from the community, so take that as just a sort of anecdote. We do know that from earnings calls, though, businesses are starting to cut ads. We're seeing that. I mean, Uber was talking about this. Many companies are starting to cut ads. And this is a problem in earnings calls, right? We're seeing that evidenced in our YouTube analytics. Let's talk about those YouTube analytics. And if you get embarrassed by these YouTube analytics at all, you can learn about how to get these YouTube analytics as well by going to metkevin.com/join and checking out the YouTube course. Check out the YouTube course link down below by going to metkevin.com/join. You'll learn everything that I know about making YouTube videos and succeeding on YouTube. All right, here are the statistics for the channel. We haven't gone through these in a while. So 2022. First thing I noticed is at the top right, it says our playback revenue essentially is down 21% compared to August 1st to December 31st. So that's Q3, Q4 of the year, but 21% is a pretty decent drop. Then you'll see the monthly estimated revenue on the left side, and you can see the declining trend. January, $125,000, $125,000. It's still pretty incredible. It's still amazing, right? Again, this is why. Check out the YouTube course, metkevin.com/join. It's a money business. But anyway, just look at the trend and learn what you can from it. January, 125, February, 122, March, 119, April, 85,000, May, 97,000, and I want to say for the last 30 days, we're probably on track for somewhere around 90, but obviously you could see June at the bottom there ongoing. It's just at 2K, and revenue takes a couple days to show up anyway. But anyway, point is, it's going down. It's trending down. Not only are our numbers trending down on YouTube, but we're seeing businesses start slowing down on ads, sponsors canceling, and this is a big issue because there are 2 things that you want to take away from this. If there are companies that spend a lot of money on ads, there's a chance you're going to see the efficacy of those ads go down. Like in my last video, I talked about Shift Technologies. Big danger. They spend lots of money on ads. That's how they get people to their platform. But if people don't want to buy used cars or their advertising starts sucking, they have to spend more. They're going to run out of cash and go bankrupt. Big risk. But the other thing that you want to pay attention to is some of my faves. I hate to say it, but Trade Desk, Goog, okay, these are companies that are at risk when you have advertising go down. And it's normal for advertising to go down in a recession. Everybody starts tightening the belt and cutting. You hear about all the layoffs going on. You saw all the companies that I talked about cutting and laying off because you follow me on Twitter, @RealMeKevin, right? But anyway, short video here, little warning for you. Check out Public by going to metkevin.com/public. Thank you so much for watching. Links down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.